Hey guys, in this video I am going to tell you how to do a professional type hair spa at home using Loreal Deep Nourishing Cream Bath Hair Spa. I have already reviewed this product in my channel. You can go and check that video if you want to know how it works and for which hair types it is suitable. This is a requested video from one of our subscriber. Hope you all will find this video helpful. The first step is massaging your scalp. For that you need to prepare your oil. Warm some amount of coconut oil or any other oil of your choice. You can also mix 2 or 3 oils if you need. The warm oil should be comfortable enough to the touch. After that, massage the oil into your scalp from roots to tips for 5 minutes so that it will promote blood circulation. Then leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you should wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Then towel dry your hair. Then the next step is applying hair spa. For that you need to take a hair spa product of your choice. Here I am using Loreal Deep Nourishing Cream Bath Hair Spa. Before applying, you can also mix this hair spa with hair spa concentrate. Loreal has different types of hair spa concentrates. Choose according to your hair need. They have anti-dandruff concentrate, hydrating concentrate. So if your hair is very dry, you can choose the hydrating one. Or if you are suffering with the dandruff, you can choose anti-dandruff concentrate. It is available in many online sites. By using a hair spa concentrate, you will get more results. If you don't have a hair spa concentrate, you can also use this hair spa alone. To apply hair spa to your hair, first you need to divide your hair into sections and then take a brush to apply the product onto your hair. Then take a white toothed comb to help distribute the mask through your hair. After completely applying hair spa onto your hair and scalp, massage it for 10 to 15 minutes. And then wrap a hot towel, or if you have a steamer you can also use that. It will help to trap the heat from your scalp and make the mask more effective. Then wait for 15 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse the mask off using lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. Then follow up with the conditioner. Leave the conditioner on for a few minutes before washing it out. So this will help to soften your hair further. Then wash the conditioner off and pat your hair dry. Let the hair air dry and skip the hair dryer. Once your hair is completely dried, you can feel your hair is more smoother and softer, and also it adds a nice shine to your hair. You can do this hair spa treatment once or twice every month. So in this way you can easily do a hair spa treatment at home. Hope you all find this video helpful. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.